Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota CHR remote battery. First, make sure you have the correct replacement battery, typically a CR 2032. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you have enough space and good visibility for this simple process. Now, let's open the remote. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the remote apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the remote open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the remote case. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once it's closed, take your remote to your Toyota CHR and test all its functions to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.